Picture this. 6 months from now, you are earning rupees 3 lakhs per month from your own side income business. Using the skills from your IT job turned into an AI-powered coaching, consulting or digital products. No late night hustle, no stress, no burnout. Sounds too good to be true, right? Stay with me. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the 6 months plan to make this happen. Hi, my name is Sachin Sharma and I am a knowledge monetization strategist, and I'm on a mission to help 1 lakh experienced IT professionals monetize their expertise through using AI through the coaching, consulting or digital products like I did for myself. So now let's jump onto my screen and let's see this 6 months plan. And here is something important that I want to share with you. So at the end, I'll be giving you a bonus that is literally important for you. So stay with me till the end of this video. So what should be your focus in your first and the second month of this entire journey? In the first month, your goal should be very simple: to launch your basic course. What do I mean by basic course? So you don't need to think of something fancy out there. No. Okay, in the first 2 months, you should be having at least a course live in the market that people will start using it. People will start gaining the knowledge from it, because a lot of people get into this analysis paralysis that, okay, I will create something top notch and out of the box and all those things, and they never either started or never completed. So that's called analysis paralysis. So your objective should be that in these 2 months, you should have your basic course live in the market, or the basic product live in the market. So what are the things that you need to primarily do? What are the 5 primary things that you should be doing in these first 2 months? So the first thing is identifying your monetizable skills. This is literally very important. I know that in your entire experience as an IT professional, you have gained a lot of skills. But out of all those skills, what is something that you are good at? And what is something that people are looking for? This is the first thing that you need to do, because if you fail over here, definitely you will fail for the entire business. The second thing is that you need to be focusing on, you need to come up with your business USP, that what is your unique selling proposition, why people will opt for you, why they should consider you rather than someone else. So let's suppose if I am someone who is teaching UX designing, and I'm sure that there are a lot of people out there, or a lot of big institutes out there that are teaching about the UX designing, but might be you are someone who is coming up with a different experience or different leverage, okay, or you have done that practical thing. You have worked as a UX designer in your existing organization, because of which you have practical hands-on of doing this. So come up with your business USP, that how it will stand out from the rest. And the third thing that you need to focus on is start building influence over social media handles, because there is a simple saying that जो दिखता है वही बिकता है इस दुनिया के अंदर. This is a simple rule out there. So you need to have a good social media influence. So I'm not asking you to have 1 million followers or something from the day one. No, I want you to at least start in these initial months, because the more you will be focusing over here, it will give you lifelong returns. Trust me on this particular thing, because I am doing this thing particularly. I'm building my own social media influence, and I know the power of this thing. Okay. So here are some platforms that you can build your social media influence: LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. YouTube is something that I will recommend you to have your primary social media platform. Why? Because YouTube is something, understand this thing, that when someone comes to the YouTube, they listen to you for at least 5 to 6 minutes. If there is 5 to 6 minutes video, they listen to you for 5 to 6 minutes. So that builds the trust between you and that particular person. And secondly, that person who is watching you, he's also seeing you live over there. Okay, so he recognizes you by a face. So that makes another level of trust. Okay, ये बंदा है, इसका ये face है, इसके ऐसा बोलता है. That resonates with me. That's something that is really important. LinkedIn, Instagram are definitely important, but yes, LinkedIn you should go in that case when your target audience is some sort of the people that exist on your own LinkedIn. If you are, let's suppose, targeting some blue collar job guys, okay, in that case, I'm not sure that you will find over there. You might find them on the Instagram. So that's how you need to figure out that, okay, which platform is best for you, Instagram or the LinkedIn. So you can choose from them. But yes, YouTube is mandatory. It doesn't matter whoever is your target audience. And trust me, a lot of you might be having this thing, okay, Sachin, creating a YouTube video is very difficult. No man, it's not a big thing. Literally, trust me. I started my journey with simple videos recorded through my mobile phone, and that was not some super high-ended phone. Okay, so you can definitely start with that. Now coming to the fourth thing that you need to be focusing on: launch your basic product. It could be a courses or something, but ensure that it should be costed less than rupees 5,000. Okay, so it could be a combination or a package of 4 to 5 mini courses. I have created another video where I talked about that how you need to bundle mini courses inside your entire course, how to put it everything in a place in like a journey, how to make it impressive. I have covered everything in super detail over there. You can watch it on my YouTube. Okay, so 4 to 5 mini courses, come up with that. And to support that, give some weekly mastermind calls, one-on-one connect to your students or to your audience, but ensure that it should not be costed more than 5,000 rupees, because the lower the cost is, people will, because you are initially starting. ओके जितना कॉस्ट कम रखोगे उतना सामने वाले के लिए लेवरेज होगा कि अच्छा यार 4 to 5,000 का कॉस्ट है या 3,000 का कॉस्ट है, लेट मी ट्राई इट आउट. ओके इट्स नॉट समथिंग बिग dent on my pocket, because if you will charging 50,000 and if you, because it's a basic product, it's not a top notch product that you have created. Okay, you are starting out, so initial level pe you don't need to have a very expensive product. Anything less than 5,000 is good. 4,999, 3,999, 2,999, okay, 3,599, anything that you can go ahead with. The fifth thing that you need to do is start doing weekly webinars or workshops to sell these products. Start doing that, because that's the best thing. Start doing free webinar or workshops. Invite people from your social media handles to attend that workshop, and because it's free, they will also refer other people, and because it's free, किसी का कुछ cost नहीं जा रहा है, so a lot of people will attend that, and try to pitch it over there, your product. And if in a month's time, if your product is like 5,000 का product है and you have sold it to 10 people, 50,000 is not a big deal, guys. Trust me. Okay, I have personally done this thing, so it's not a big deal. So 5,000 into 10 people, 50,000, easy money. That's it. So this should be your focus for the first 2 months. And yes, the important thing is that if you need an hand-holding, close mentorship on this thing, definitely you can book a one-on-one demo call from the description below, and my team will help you in setting up this business right from the scratch and help you make like 3 lakhs per month and even more than that. Now moving to the third and the fourth month, what you should be doing in the third and the fourth month. So your goal should be very simple, because in the first 2 months you should be making like 50,000 per month. Now you should be focusing on reaching 1 lakh per month, and literally this is very easy compared to the first thing that you have done in the first or the second month. Might be from the monetary perspective, you might be thinking, okay, 1 lakh तो बहुत बड़ी amount है. No, 50,000 अगर आपने बना लिया, that's अगर आप बना रहे हो, then you can easily scale it to like 1 lakh per month. That's not a big deal. So they are just simple 5 things that you need to be focusing on. First of all, get customer reviews or the videos or the testimonials. Whatever the number of the people that you acquired in the first 10 people that you acquired for to make this 50,000 per month, connect with them, take their reviews, take their testimonials. Video testimonial is always best, because people trust the videos. When you publish them on your YouTube handles or your social media handles, people trust that a lot rather than some written testimonials. Okay, that would be my first recommendation. Get the testimonials or the reviews, because the more the testimonials you will be having, more people will be coming to trusting you, other people will be trusting you, and more people will line up and get into your funnel. That's the important thing. Okay, now move to the second part, which is improve the quality of the product based on the feedback, because now people are already using it, you are already working with them, you definitely get to know कि कहाँ पे weak area है, कहाँ पे improve करने का ज़रूरत है, किस से कहाँ पे problem आ रहा है students को, कहाँ पे नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है, so whatever is working, double down on that. Whatever is not working, enhance that, improve that. But now this time you need to enhance the quality. So basically you must have launched in the first 2 months, launch the V1, first version of your product. Then in this month, update it to V2. Okay, make a big change over there, because now the real customers are using it and you are getting the real feedback. You know the real problems and you can enhance it easily. Then the third thing that you need to focus on, now it's time to increase your pricing, anything less than 10,000. If you were charging earlier 3,999, now you should think of 7,999. If you are charging 4,999, 8,999, just try to double it, because you have added the value. Why I'm asking you to do this thing, okay? First thing is because now your product is enhanced from the previous version, okay? Now you have the success stories. Now you know you have also groomed yourself, okay, in delivering the value. So now you can even charge higher amount, okay? And the one thing that is literally very beautiful here is, okay, higher the pricing, people think that, okay, if I will charge high, well, someone will not buy it. I will be creating another video on that, but yes, you should not worry about this, because people have, if someone can pay you 4,999, they can also pay you 7,999. The only thing is that you should showcase them some success story, you should showcase them some real value. And when your success stories plus your social media influence plus your product, all things are aligned, people will be definitely willing to pay you, okay? So now you need to increase it to 10,000. The fourth action item is, this is the time that you, because in the first 2 months you are doing your workshops or the webinars only through the organic leads, or you are not spending something over there. But now you can, because you have already polished yourself in 2 to 3 months time, okay? Now you should invest in meta ads to attract the leads, okay? So you can start with some minimal budget of 400 or 500 rupees per day, and if you are doing a free webinar, you can easily get leads for 40, 50 rupees or 100 rupees per lead, and you can easily go from there. So this is the time that you need to double down on your workshops, okay? You can even increase the number of the workshops or the webinars that you are doing, okay? And this will easily help you in scaling the webinar or the workshop. Number of registrations will be high, number of people showing up over there will be high, number of your product pricing will be high, and definitely when you do all these things are aligned, when you pitch over your product, you can definitely increase this number from 50,000 to 1 lakh. It's too easy, okay? Nothing like, okay, it's a too big thing. No, it's not, okay? Unless you are putting everything in the right place. In the 5th and the 6th month, the point is very simple. The goal should be that now you need to focus on doubling this number. You need to focus on 2 to 3 lakhs per month predictable income revenue. And for this, there are only 5 things that you need to primarily focus on. Scale meta ads. Again, because now you are spending 500 per day, you are already generating revenue out of it. Double down on that. Make it 1,000, 2,000 per day investment. Do that easily. Okay. Second thing is, get 10 to 20 leads organically every day, because it's been like 6 months. You are already putting videos, you are putting content piece on the LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, whatever your social media handles is. People, there is a push that you are seeing over there. Your organic or the social media algorithm is pushing your content, and I'm sure you can easily attract 10 to 20 leads per day. It's not a big deal, okay? If you are consistent with your social media influence building, okay? Do that. So now into your funnel, you are getting from the meta ads people, you are also getting the people from your organic itself. And the best part is, why I asked you to do the organic thing in the place, because when you are doing this thing first in place, okay, so the people that you are attracting to the meta ads as well. क्योंकि लोगों का क्या है कि even though they have seen your ad, but they will not trust you directly. Okay, ads are good to get the attention of the people, but ads will never give them the trust. So trust is built from your social media presence. So what they will start doing before they make the purchase decision or before they will come into your webinar or workshop, they will start searching about you. And the more the content pieces that you have on the social media handles or your social media platforms, they will get more content, they will watch your videos, and that builds the trust and the credibility. Okay, and that is really important. And after watching these videos, when they will come to the webinar, they are almost 70-80% sold. 70-80% sold. I have seen this thing literally. I know some people, they are only running the ads, but their conversion is very, very low. But there are people who are having a good presence on the social media handles, the organic one. Along with that, when they attract the leads, okay, through the ads, then their conversions spiked up. And this happened with me as well. With very minimal, like 5,000 or 6,000 followers on one of my YouTube channel, I had even attracted people every month. I am getting like 3 to 4 lakhs of the sales just from that only. 3 to 4 lakhs per month, just from that only. I'm just talking about 5,000 subscribers or with that, so such a small YouTube channel. So this is the credibility that YouTube and the video presence builds. So that is really important. Now move to the third part. Okay, now you need to build a big ticket offer. Anything somewhere between 10,000 to 20,000. Anything between 20,000 or 30,000 till 30,000, it's okay. Okay, because your first product, it should be the entry point. Like I'm sure you must have experienced this thing. Okay, when you buy Apple product, Apple iPhone is an first product that you buy. Once you buy it, they will upsell you some other offerings. You get into the ecosystem of the Apple. Okay, you buy their MacBook, you buy their charger, you buy their earpods, Apple Watch, everything. So what is this? Once you are into this ecosystem, once you saw the value by using their iPhone, then definitely you will buy their more products. So that's why in the same way, you need to launch a mid-ticket offer. Mid-ticket offer is something that will offer them something more than the first version that they bought. In that, you can add something like one-on-one calls with them, some sort of one-on-one calls with them, okay, or something extra, or some templates, or some done-for-you services kind of thing that you can do over there. So these are the things that you can add over there, okay, and charge it like 10 to 20,000. It's a good number, okay. Now, when you have this particular product, start upselling those people with whom, because you are already connecting with the people who had already bought your 4,999 or 7,999 or 8,999 product. Okay, you are already connecting with them in your weekly connects or the weekly masterminds. Over there, try after delivering the value, pitch them this mid-ticket offer and start people pulling into your mid-ticket offering. Okay, and the next is collect more success stories. The higher the success stories is, higher the conversion is. Okay, the more the people will see, because people wants to see, okay, there are a lot more people like me who had faced the same challenge and this guy had helped them. That's really important. So this is a simple 6 months plan. So stick to it, and I can guarantee you this will help you make 2 to 3 lakhs per month easily. Nothing, no rocket science. And the bonus is very simple. Okay, if you want to get this setup done, if you want to work with me, so I want you to book a one-on-one demo call from the link in the description over there. My team will connect with you, and we'll be creating the personalized game plan for you that will help you build 2 to 3 lakhs per month of the side income business using your existing IT skills that you have. That is easily we'll be doing this thing. Okay, so do that. So this is the bonus for you. So that's all for this video. And if you are still relying in 2025 or in 2026 on just your job, it's too risky, it's outdated. Literally, it's outdated. Because while you are working 9 to 9 or 9 to 5, this world is changing fast. There are a lot of mass layoffs that are happening. AI is replacing a lot of jobs, a lot of tasks. Your job security is not what it used to be earlier. So hurry up and build your side income business. Now building a side income business is not a leverage, it's a necessity these days. So focus on that, because you already have the skill. The only thing is that you need to think out of the box and you need to start doing this thing. So stop relying only on your salary. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.